Have my coffee. Chair that's broken. My hammock. And most of all, a dog. That's what you need. Simple things in life. You don't need a companion as a person. You need a companion, period. It can be a pet. It could be someone to talk to. An animal, a tree even. Hi, tree. I know you talk. You sing. You give us air. You provide us warmth with your wood. And there's Rollo. Hi, Rollo. All these black flies here today. It's the season. There's the sun peering through there. Beautiful. Anyways, it's a good day. Would you live like this? And do by choice. Rather live here like this. Total freedom. I'm gonna create a trail over there later. Or there. Or there. Or there. And we'll see. It's a beautiful day. You can see my trail for gathering wood. Let me clear some of those trees. They're just poplar. They grow like weeds. Useless for everything. Anyways. Whatever day is today, happy day. Sunday. Fun day. It's a good day.